how to change phone number in the Bolt app. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change phone number in the Bolt application. The first step is to open up your Bolt application, and then once you're on the home page, you will see a map and you will see other descriptions. Once you can see this, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. Then in the page displayed, go ahead and click on profile, view profile. All right, after clicking on it, you'll be brought to your profiles page where you see your name, your phone number, language, etc. Move to the top right corner and click on edit profile. And then on the edit profiles page, you can see your name as well as your phone number and your email. And you can see the option edit next to it. So just click on edit. All right, and then you'll be taken to the editing page. So yeah, you can just erase this phone number, type in another one, and then you have to select your means of verification. Do you want it through email or through WhatsApp? You can select any of the two, click on continue, and then once the verification code has been sent, copy it and then paste it in the stated box. And once you've done that, the phone number would be changed successfully. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can change your phone number on the Vote application. Thanks for watching and have a good day.